In this video, as we delve into the heart of Thailand
This is quite the trek, bro.
and witness action,
I was hella hungry.
we'll embark on a long, fun, and exciting journey full of thrills and challenges.
What's up, family? Your boy is making a little timeline real quick. About to get up out of here. About to head up out. Man, I'm about to do some international travel. Now these restrictions are off. You feel me? About to go out here and get it in real quick. I'm loving that the Doha airport in Qatar has 100% vegan options and vegan vittles for the long layover in Doha. Since I neglected to order a vegan meal on the flight, I was stuck with my snacks. So I welcomed this vegan, 100% vegan restaurant in the airport while I wait for the next flight, connecting flight. This is a male quiet room. Talk about quiet. There's absolutely nobody in here. Goodbye to Los Angeles. We are on the way to the hotel. Aone Villa and Resort. Well, this is the room. This is the room I will be staying in for the next few days as I relax and unwind. I was told to pack light, so these two backpacks right here in this bag, this is basically about a month's worth of gear. But yeah, I tried to pack light so I can just worry about enjoying myself instead of floating around a lot of bags. And out there is the view to the beach. See what that looks like. After a long flight, man, I just want to lay down, relax, get some rest, get ready for this time in Thailand, bro. I'm in Thailand, first time, trying to get it in. So I brought a couple of gadgets along for the ride. Got that laptop in case I gotta stay connected to the work while I'm away, even though I'm trying to stay disconnected as much as possible. And then I invested in some DJI equipment over here. So there's gonna be a little bit of a learning curve, but I wanna try and up my content game. So that starts with this joint right here, which is an Osmo 6, just gimbal. But anyway, this is a remote that goes with the drone. Look at this thing. I'm gonna put this up in the air, get some footage while I'm here. So these right here go together. That keeps you in the air. The batteries, the drone, the remote. And this keeps your selfie game footage on point with that gimbal. Gotta make sure you got that gut health on deck, dog. And these nuts for your mouth. Good morning. I am in Krabi, Thailand. And it is a beautiful morning. Had a lot of rain yesterday and just getting settled in. You know, this place is pretty remote. It's pretty down tempo, like just a relaxed resort type retreat. But I'm about to have some breakfast right here. So if you take a look at this here food. I had the chef cook a vegan meal for me. And you never really know because they use a lot of fish and oyster sauces and things like that. But I made sure to ask for none of that. I told them I'm vegan. And actually this hotel was recommended to me by my travel company, Veg Voyages, Vegan Travel Asia. And you know, as you can see, it's a pretty nice scene here. And I'm about to have some of this food before it gets cold. Surprisingly, I ate all of that because I was hella hungry, not eating much on the plane. But yeah, that was pretty good actually. And it's all gone. Like, you may not believe it, but I actually ate all that. I haven't been working out much lately, haven't been eating that well. So I lost some weight. But man, you'll pack your pounds back on out here. So
So it's a little bit of a glare outside, so I'm gonna try this inside and see if I can get this tracking thing happening. Let's see if that got it going there. Let's go, let's go. Got it? Oh wait, what's over here? Oh, it's trying, okay.
Yeah, we need to first.
Okay, here we go. Hey, okay, I'm about to learn how to use this damn phone. I'm about to learn how to use this gimbal, and then when I learn how to use this gimbal, I'm gonna be live and direct constantly. This is like the main drag right here, so this is where people come down, buy their souvenirs, get their massages, do their drinking. And then out here on the beach is where you come out and you sunbathe, take the island journeys, and make a day of it. But it still looks like it wants to rain out here. So now here I am doing the Krabi walk. Not to be confused with the Crip walk. But yeah, trying to get a feel for this device. Feeling like it has some upside potential. Boy, it's live and direct with that drone footage, you feel me? Well, guys, I'd say day one of this drone life was a success. I got her up in the air, I repaired that wing, and I think we're ready for some fly time. Now I can book some excursions and get it in.
Knockout.
Good morning. So the weather is picking up. It's starting to look really nice and sunny around here, and I'm looking forward to doing a day of hiking to the Tiger Cave Temple. It's about 1,200 steps, so I might spend a couple hours out there doing that. But first, it's time to dig into this good eats, teach me like more of this. But hey, it will do. It will get the job done.
This is a temple at the base of the mountain, Tiger Cave Temple. Looks like it's undergoing some renovation, but this is a pretty interesting temple. Pretty sizable too, actually. I like this serpent formation here. Let's take a look at this. This is pretty interesting. Some vibrant colors on those dragons there. Let's see. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, so I can't give you too much history or informational about this place, but it is interesting. I've watched YouTubers and they've all suggested these places. So I'm not fluent in Thai, so I can't interpret any of this information on these walls. So yeah, here goes the day. Guys, we're almost halfway there. Probably better than halfway there, actually. But this is quite the trek, bruh. This will have you worked out. I'm sweating off all my sunblock. And look, you gotta be careful. If you care about your kicks, you gotta be careful about the monkey droppings. The monkey droppings are real on these steps. So a lot of monkeys in the jungle. Also some dogs. But yeah, the hike continues. So made it to the top. This is where I started down here. Pretty nice big hot ass blazes for a while there. Then it started to cool off. But this is a pretty good workout. So they let you ring the bell on your first trip up. I guess you can ring it each subsequent trip. So I rang the bell one good time. You can ring my bell, ring my bell, my bell. Guys, that's a wrap for the Tiger Cave Temple. Made it up here. I didn't quite time myself coming up, but I'm going to time myself going down. And this is quite the exercise, but enjoyable. Got pretty warm on the way up, but up at the top there's a nice breeze. Make sure you definitely bring yourself some water, some snacks, stay hydrated, stay energized. Some good photography. Unfortunately, I had a couple of issues with the phone overheated. It got so hot, so I had to shut that down for a while. Brought extra battery packs and things like that. But you know, this is a good trip right here. I like this. This is a nice, kind of almost like a higher level of enlightenment, unintended. So this was enjoyable. I'm going to probably time myself going down and see how long that takes. But probably 30 to 40 minutes on the way up. I was pretty consistent coming all the way up, not many breaks. But I enjoyed it. I think you'd enjoy it too. I was one of the top dogs up here with the drone, tried to put the drone into action, had the drone in the sky. Man, just came down from the Tiger Cave Temple. That's the Tiger Cave over there. Got this guy going in there. Not much to see, but it's still an interesting sightseeing attraction. But that trip coming down, talk about making those legs shake, I'm telling you. Yeah, so that's the temple tour for today. This is good. No, you're good. Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
No more? Can you more?
Nah. So I went to the Tiger Cave Temple today. So I did a lot of steps. So my feet are tired in the Tiger Cave Temple. Good morning. I am coming out for some drone footage early in the morning before too many people get out here. I gotta tighten up my drone skills. So the beach is clear. It's pretty early in the morning. And I'm gonna see if I can get this thing up in the air, have it track me, follow me, maybe do a little jog on the beach. But this will be interesting and kind of exciting, actually. Looking forward to it. Now it's time to go island hopping off the beaten path. Let's go. In the Phi Phi Islands right now. It's lush out here. So this is Maya Beach, or Maya Bay, where the movie The Beach was filmed. This is a pretty beach. Nice white sand, fine like color, green water. The water's clear. Really beautiful out here, actually. So this is a good time to relax, recharge. Like, well, it's pretty chill. Boat ride was smooth. The weather's pretty good. Not too sunny, so the sun is not beating down, and pretty nice. So there you have it, Thailand's hidden paradise, Krabi. From the adrenaline rush of a Muay Thai death match to climbing the sacred Tiger Cave Temple, a soothing foot massage, then sailing through the breathtaking Phi Phi Islands. What a journey. Until next time, keep it vegan.
I'm out.
So apparently the drone has been an epic fail so far. The battery overheated while I'm trying to learn how to set it up.